Hi everybody. If you need help uploading your Google Drive assignment onto Schoology, this video is for you. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to click Add Materials. I put mine inside a folder called Distance Learning 2020, up to you if you want to do that or not. So once you click Add Materials, you'll see Add Assignment. You give your assignment a title. If you want to give any instructions for your students, you can do that here. So you might say, choose 6 activities, one from each section. You're going to choose your points. I'm doing 6 just so it automatically does all of it for me. I can say they did 5 out of 6 activities, done and done. I'm putting mine in participation. It's no longer third quarter. We're doing this for fourth quarter, so you'll have to change that. Once it is officially fourth quarter, that should automatically change for you. I know you guys have never had to change your quarters, most of you. So once it is officially the date of fourth quarter, that should automatically be updated for you. If yours still says third quarter, you can always click on this and automatically click fourth quarter. If fourth quarter is not an option for you, then you need to email Amanda Graff. Her email is graf_a@my.westclair.org. I always like to give mine a due date so that students can see it pop up on their calendar so they don't forget about it. So I click this 17 over here. Remember, you're only uploading this for your first or second encore depending on the grade level. So you'll need to unlink your sections so that you don't automatically upload it to all 3 sections. Once you're done with that, this is the tricky part. You're going to click Google Drive Assignments. You'll click on your document that you want. I labeled mine Test Run just so you guys could see that it was easy to find. And then normally they'll be titled like Choice Board Week 1, whatever we titled it. You'll know that you've clicked on it when it stays blue. And then you'll click Attach, Create. And then it'll be uploaded. From the teacher side of things, when you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the students that are in progress and all of the students that have submitted it. So when you click on in progress, normally their document will pop up right here. As soon as they click on the assignment in Schoology, it automatically creates a copy for them, and then you will be able to see it right here in Schoology. Because none of my students obviously have clicked on it yet or opened it, you won't be able to see that. But you will be able to see like a little box up here, and you just type in the number that you want to give them. So you can do that for the ones that are in progress if they have not yet submitted it, or you can do it in submissions for all the students that have clicked submit and turned in all 6. And then you can view by class, so whichever class you want, and then all of your students will normally pop up right over here, and you just click on each student as you scroll down. If you have any questions about that, feel free to shoot me a text. My phone number is 513-368-4337, or you can send me an email, ellis_h. Hope you have tremendous success in uploading this assignment. Let me know if you need any other help.